understand the Earth, it helps to have a bird's eye view. My name is Dr. Michael SHEPARD. I'm the chair of the Department of Environmental, Geographical, and Geological Sciences, and I'm here to introduce one of our newest major tracks, Spatial Analysis and GIS. It combines the disciplines of remote sensing, cartography, geographic information systems, and computer science, and it will lead you into some of the most interesting and high-tech fields in the 21st century.
Hello, I'm Brett McLaurin, a geology professor in the Eggs Department at Bloomsburg University. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, also called drones, in some of our research and course applications. Students will use UAV technology in many courses in the department, early on as a sophomore all the way up through senior and into doing research. Upon graduation, students will be able to use UAV applications in a variety of careers, such as urban planning, hydrology, agricultural studies, and natural hazard delineation.